Merry Vlogmas.
Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
You're getting better.
Okay, day 22.
Right.
Over here.
Ooh.
Yes.
Is
No, suddenly he wants to be friends again.
Yeah.
Is it a good one?
Oh,
you like those?
Yes. I think we're happy, but we need to have one over here. Look,
Oh,
look.
hang on. No, don't take away yet.
Right.
We've got Kai Cam going on. Kai Cam, yes.
Kai Cam.
No, he can't get one. No, he's struggling. Oh, he got one. No, he's not taking his face out in case you take them away from him.
They're all gone, except for this one. There was hundreds in them. Here. Come on, mate. You say it nice. What a turag you are.
Oh,
You're a greedy little
you are a
boy.
little monster. There I am. Thank you. Now this is for me. Classic 70%.
Oh.
That's another nice repeat. I like that. No, you can't have that. That's not for you. There's nothing to keep you entertained. You ate it all in one go.
Yeah, you were too quick.
You hoovered. You hoovered.
You certainly did.
I know you've heard his Christmas Klaus voice. It's not meant to be scary. It's a distortion. So I wanted to show you. So I'm going to say hello. Mum's going to say hello, and Dad's going to say hello. So
Hello. Hello.
And Kai, Kai burps.
Oh, lovely. With editing magic, hopefully that will have been slightly funny for you guys. But it was tickling my fancy. So I'm going to continue it, but I know it's not super legible or understandable for everybody. So I will also include subtitles. Oh, there's a picture on this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
it's
that's
a tooth
exciting.
fairy.
Do you want to move in so you can be seen?
Yes.
Well, yes, but
I'll
I'm
move
waiting
that.
for you. Create a hole. There you go. Right. Luckily, you managed to activate the heat shield and were able to leave Etnana. Etnana?
We were at Nana.
Were we?
Day 21. We haven't done day 21. I'm a day ahead. Oh no, Kai, you get another day.
Someone's paying attention. There I was at the bus stop.
Hang on. We will come back to this one in a minute. So we are doing 2 days today. So I'll see you in a bit. We're going to start again for day 21.
Our journeys continue then.
Are we on day 22?
We're on day 22.
Shocking.
Luckily, you managed to activate the heat shield and were able to leave Etnana. Now I know that place.
Nana, yes, we've heard
And
of
even though
that.
you hardly thought it possible, Klaus's tuning attempts actually seem to have achieved something. Your craft is coping much better with the new fuel and you are flying almost smoothly. Suddenly, the pale lady's hot air balloon appears in front of you. Look at Elfine, Klaus hisses through gritted teeth. That looks like Elfine.
Okay.
Does it look like anyone you know? No.
I wouldn't be surprised if she shot at us and then brought the fuel from under our noses.
Elfine.
You ask, confused. You didn't realise that Klaus was on first-name terms with the competitor.
Yes, Elfine. You probably only know her by her stage name. Elfine, the Tooth Fairy.
Suddenly the penny drops. The flashy hat, the tooth-shaped hot air balloon, of course. She is the Tooth Fairy.
He's taking part in the Le Mans race.
You ask, a little surprised.
Yep.
Klaus replies,
Elfine likes to take part in anything that gives her a bit of a change from her tasteless job. Whenever a child loses their first tooth, Elfine has to bring them a gift. Think about what a hassle that is. Get presents, wrap presents, fly to the children, wait until late at night when everyone is asleep, drop off presents, and then go back home. Super stressful. You should do your research properly when you're choosing a career, that's all I can say. Now we're almost level with the balloon, and I'll deal with her.
right. Klaus leans casually out of the side window and confronts the Tooth Fairy with his suspicions, but she is visibly shocked. She had nothing to do with either the laser beam attack or the fuel incident.
However,
She adds, batting her eyelashes.
I may have observed something interesting. If you help me wrap the present for the next child, then I might have some useful news for you.
Hand it over.
Says Klaus without hesitation, so Elfine passes him the gift box, ribbon and the paper.
Okay.
Open door
So
22.
we've got Elfine on the front and door 22 up the top.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
Oh,
and there's the balloon.
and it's ribbon. Look.
Oh wow. Okay.
Looks like we might be wrapping something. And waxed paper.
Oh. Oh, okay. The stars in front are quick to find, but turn the box and look behind. The ribbon cross is clear here too, but what are you supposed to do? Place a parchment. Oh, hello. Place parchment on each corner here. A white spot marks the number clear. We've definitely got to wrap the box.
Put your finger on that.
Your wrapping is so superior.
Let's do one where there's an obvious star. Turn the box and look behind. So it must be that.
I don't understand how we're getting that one wrong. And 4.
5, 7 and 4.
Yes, 4,
Right.
5, 7. Oh god.
Okay.
I mean, we got there, but there was a lot of jumping and intuitiveness. So yeah,
We got there.
we did. Oh look, that one's got no perforations.
Oh.
Oh, it's just a teeny tiny in the black hole.
That may be the...
The final
That'll be
day.
the last one.
We just noticed
And where
that.
the side of the box will come off,
Yeah.
probably. As before. Sleuthing.
Much
Very taxing.
Yeah, the previous day was much better. I liked that one.
Might have to have one of your chocolate biscuits.
Yeah, so the dog has been decorating this. The dog's been decorating. There's fabric everywhere.
No.
Start thinking about getting it off the shelf just now.
Oh yeah, he's tried that on mine. Yeah, you'll not be popular.
No.
No, so technically Mum's been at church all morning, so this is definitely being filmed out of order. Do you have any plans for Sunday afternoon? I've banned you from the sewing room, haven't I?
Oh.
Well, I want to make your present. Would you like your present, or would you?
Yes.
Yes, there we go. Yes. What would you like to do this afternoon? Got wrap presents.
I'm going for a walk.
Yep.
Excellent. No, I meant tomorrow afternoon after
Yes,
church.
I'm going for a walk.
Are you still going for a walk? Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much for
Okay.
calendars, and I will see you tomorrow for day 23.
Okay.
Exciting.
Okay.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone. It is absolutely miserable outside, which I think you can just about see. I have my chocolate orange hot chocolate, which is delicious, and I'm currently being attacked by a iskiaka, which you can just about see down there. This is delicious. I don't know why chocolate orange always just reminds me of Christmas. It's just such a Christmas taste. I love chocolate orange all year round and eat orange chocolate all year round, but yeah, definitely a Christmas taste. Anyway, I think the cats are trying to murder each other behind me, so I'm going to see if I need to break anything up. Fun times. Gianna is clearly invisible and cannot be seen. Yeah, completely camouflaged inside of the quilt. Oh, it is a grumpy face. Oh no, I didn't mean to make... Oh, did I destroy your hiding place? I'm so sorry, baby girl. You say hi? Oh no, you stinky. Everyone's been worried about you. They haven't seen you very much. Smush. Okay, I have to go to work now. I do.
I swear this is the never-ending video. By the way, hi peeps, it's Sunday. We did calendars yesterday, and this is probably going out quite late on Sunday because I am determined to get this fluffing piping video up. I mean, honestly, the first clip from this is in 2024, like the beginning of 2024 as well. To be fair, that was when I cut this dress out and started trying to getting the piping tutorial done for that. It wasn't meant to be this lengthy of a process, and in all honesty the video is going to go out and it's going to be really underwhelming because it's taken so long, and it's basically a kind of easy how-to with probably lots of things that people already know, and I am just teaching people to suck eggs. But at this point it's a point of pride. I'm going to get this fluffing thing finished, so I need to film more pickups because there was some corruption of data in the transfer between the old laptop and the new Mac Studio, so there's a few little bits that I've tried to kind of piece it together but it doesn't quite work, and the corrupted data is right in the middle, so I'm going to just refilm them because at this point I really want it to be as perfect as I can make it. So that's the plan for the next sort of half an hour, because there's an intro and outro, a better final outro, because as you guys know I'm splitting the videos up into smaller chunks and I haven't got a proper, like, if you have got any questions ask me, because I go through the whole kind of basically what I've just said. I think I've covered everything, but if I haven't, let me know and I'll try and think of a way to do the thing that you've asked about. But there was The seam finishing, I filmed doing it. I didn't film an intro and outro for it, so I've got to do that. I thought it would be helpful to see, because I talk about 2 different ways of doing zips with piping, so I thought it might be helpful to see the example of one way and the example of the other way. And possibly I might try the alternate hem finish. Given that I've made a very small test sample, I might try and finish that the other way that I was talking about in the video, not including bias binding. So yeah, I've got some little bits and pieces to do basically. Mum's been at church all morning. She's currently out walking the dog, and I think she's coming out down here to do some sewing this afternoon. I am, like I say, once I have done this little bit of filming, going straight back up there and getting everything edited, and if I have to stay up late tonight, I am just getting it done. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be totally fine. Totally fine. So anyway, waffling about it's not going to help, so I'm going to get on and get little bits and pieces filmed to hopefully make a cohesive and coherent and good video. Wish me luck.